This is Jyoti and you are in my little treat corner. There are many versions of aloo paratha in India and most of them roast the potatoes before stuffing. My recipe is very simple, which I learned when I was in college from the people I was living with. It requires no roasting, so can be made pretty quickly. For this dish, I am going to use half a kg of potatoes, 250 grams of onions, 5 green chilies and half a cup of coriander leaves. I boiled the potatoes in about 2 liters of water and 1 tablespoon of salt for 3 whistles and peeled them. I am going to mash this up with my hands, but you can use a fork as well. To this, I am going to add the onions that I have finely chopped, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 2 teaspoons of salt, the chilies that I have already sliced, and the finely chopped coriander leaves. I am going to mix this well and keep it aside. To make the dough, I needed 500 grams of maida with 2 teaspoons of salt and about a cup and a half of water to make this soft and sticky dough. The dough has to be very soft, otherwise it will split while flattening with the stuffing. I am going to break the dough into balls about 2.5 inch in diameter. To stuff the paratha, I am going to flatten this a little bit. Stuff it with as much stuffing as I can, about 2 to 3 tablespoons. And seal the dough over it. I am going to dust this with a little bit of flour and then flatten it with a very gentle hand. Don't worry if it tears just a little bit. I usually try to make it as thin as possible. To cook the parathas, I am going to heat a pan a little. Place the paratha on it and wait for it to become firm enough that I can lift it without breaking it. I am going to flip this over and grease it with oil. Once the other side becomes firm, I am going to flip it again, grease it, and now I am just going to let it roast while flipping it over every once in a while until it becomes brown and little crispy. This is done. You can eat this aloo paratha with curd and pickle, sweet chili garlic sauce or tomato ketchup, but in my opinion, it goes best with my tomato chutney, which is basically the churpi chutney without the churpi. You can enjoy the paratha with my tomato chutney. The recipe is here. Stay in touch. I'll be back with more videos.